Hi everyone and welcome back. Today I'm going to be sharing with you my spring dining room. Starting at the table, I wanted to add a few of my favorite items I like to use in the springtime, like this white tablecloth, a bamboo tray, and a gorgeous flower arrangement that I made last spring and have been impatiently waiting to use again. Then of course I wanted to mix in a few of my new treasures that I found recently during my thrift store adventures, like these plates, a jam jar, and the bowls. On the other side of the tray, newly found teacups and a teapot were of course added to the mix. And what's vintage dishes without a few tarnished silver spoons to go along with it? Moving on to the table in the corner, I first used some 3M command strips to hang a painting above the table which my daughter Emily painted for me and which I am completely in love with. On the table itself, I started grouping together some items to create a display. I started with another bamboo tray and then added a milk glass urn to which I simply placed an IKEA plant inside. I then added a galvanized metal sphere, and for something tall to balance with the lamp on the other side of the table, I placed this arrow and spear combo that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I am enjoying the new look in my dining room. Everything looks fresh and cheerful and bright, just how I wanted the room to feel to celebrate springtime. If you'd like to see more videos like this in the future, hit that thumbs up button. And if you are new to my channel, welcome, and please consider hitting that subscribe button so you won't miss any of my future decorating videos. Thanks so much for stopping by today. I appreciate it, and I will see you again very soon in my next video. Bye now.